Hi there, welcome to Wednesday's market commentary. Not a nice looking chart we're looking at today unless you're kind of a bearish person. The S&P 500 was down 23 points today. Pretty good day of selling. Tried to bounce early on this morning and then we just slowly sold off for the rest of the day. Bad news is that we're breaking through that 1275 support level that was right down through here and leaves our next support level on a longer term chart right around 1225 right down in through here. 1225 is our next support level from a couple years back. So I was looking a little bearish here. You can see that how long that the MACDs have been in an oversold situation compared to what's been normal here for a whole year, what would be normal for a whole year. And you can see that we've just really just blown that kind of away there. So we're way oversold here. Should be ready for a bounce anytime. Although I am expecting a bounce, we still have to be cautious of the markets are in a bearish move right now. Now, it's also nice to note that anytime you hear people start talking, this is a bearish market, we've dropped more than 10%, 20%. Anytime you start hearing people talking about bearish market and things are going negative, that's usually when the people start jumping on the bandwagon to the downside because it's already dropped so much, which is also about the time the market starts to bounce again. So just kind of keep that in mind. Support at 1225. We're going to call resistance right up here at this 1325 level. And currently I am short-term bearish, and since we're breaking through this major support area here, I am going to go longer-term bearish at the same time. I am though expecting to see a bounce, but until it bounces I have to trade the markets to the downside, which is a little more bearish. Alright, let's take a look at the NASDAQ and see how it looks. And here's a chart of the NASDAQ for us. Down 53 points, another bearish day here. So you see we were holding up pretty good for a while here on the NASDAQ and just recently started to go a little more bearish. We've got support going to come right down here at this 2200 level, and we're going to call resistance right up here at this 2400 level right in through here. So short term, we broke through that 2400 support level, so we have to go bearish short term. Longer term though, until we break through this 2200 level, we're still going to go with more of a neutral position longer term. And you can see how long we've been bearish down through here. On our indicators, oversold levels compared to what's a normal time frame for being bearish right in through here. You can see that we just really surpassed what's a normal time frame for us. So we are in a way oversold position here. Sometime we should be ready for a bounce, but the bounce might only be short-lived, just enough for an oversold bounce before it rolls back over again. So keep an eye on that. Along with news does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best.